Here we are, live again, and this time we're going to tackle a little technical issue, and I can't wait to get into it. So what we're going to do is we are going to fix the mobile version of the Legacy Forge. I had a few ideas as we were going through it, and we did try a few things. Now it's just try to find the most sustainable version of what we can do. And I'm going to try Elementor for the first time ever, which is going to be interesting because I don't usually use Elementor. I'm going to put on some music because this stream will be copyright infringed. That's just how it works. Let's see if we can just put on these. Not too loud, but pleasant in the background. Like that song. This is like ceremony songs. This is my ceremony playlist. I love that. Now, what we'll do. Let's get ready. We're gonna shake our fist a little bit. Get some energy going. I'm having too much fun with this live thingy. Okay. I'm gonna create a test page, and you're gonna see what I'm doing very soon. I'm just gonna create like the foundation so that you don't have to worry. Test. Actually, maybe 001 test. I don't know why, but it's gonna be harder. That sounds weird. Visibility, I don't like it when it's public, but maybe password protected is a good thing. Like that. And then I'm just gonna have to publish it right away. Now, I think I'm ready. Let's jump into it. Should be like that. All right. So, not the header, but here we will. Top clean. There we go. And then the next one under here should be middle. The middle one. Middle one. Which one was it? I'm gonna figure that out. It's not gonna be a problem. Okay. Go into this. And I'll go into this. Maybe the music is a little bit too loud. There we go. With 100%. What if I say width is 500 pixels? And it fucks all of it up and it is on a repeating pattern, so that's not what I want. I want no padding on this. Fix. Actually, maybe. No. I don't have any content in here yet, so let's just add some heading. We're going to get something up here, and then I'm going to put this to center. Size is actually an H1. Size is default. Well, that doesn't vibe. Legacy Forge. Just gonna also see how fast can I create this now that we have all the assets. It's gonna be a very interesting thing. I don't like that. We have a color, and the color is as follows: DD. Double D. There we go. And then with typography, and then this Poppins. No, Solier. That seems a bit large. Look at that. Look at the background. Look at the background. Understand that it is fucked. Size tablet, and then desktop 400 normal. That's what I want. Here's normal. Yep. You are a bitch. Cover. Contain. No. Auto. Yahoo. Custom. Go for cover right now, especially on this. That is for the mobile. Does it do that though? That's not supposed to be there. That I hate that. But footer? Ew. Okay, I'm gonna remove that afterwards. Now that is a cover, I just add more. How do I do that though? This? Nope, not that. Not that. This? No, because that's not the same. Go into Navigator then. Here I just go in and I pull in a heading. There we go. Heading is start your adventure. Also, it seems like I'm just doing the same thing that we just did, but it's also for me to get a little handle on what this is, because I have never worked in Elementor before. I have to get my bearings. Luckily, most of it is basically the same. Baskerville. I want you to be uppercase. And I want you to be smaller. Yo, where did he go? Well, it seems a little rush, but takes shadow. That's probably what he did. God, I love this kind of music. I don't know why. Okay, so this looks okay, kind of, so far for what I have in mind. And then there was also a video inside of this. And a button. There we go. Push that all the way down there. That's where it ends. That's good to know. I don't want you to be this big. That's what she said. And then... Now, let's see if I can make this vertically aligned. No, I want it to be horizontally aligned, but why that is not here kind of boggles me, because that's stupid, almost. Image overlay, no. Lazy load, Style. See, this is so stupid. Do we really have to have a CSS class for this? I love this song. I love this song. But it did the same thing with the margin. So I think it was 50%, right? And that's just the pixels. So no, 50%. And then right, 50. Left, 50. No, that's gonna horribly fuck it up. Now there's nothing. So no, I'm not gonna use that at all. I have to use the CSS. Fuck. For with. Become one. This is seriously when I... Oh, see, now we have a CSS class called LP Video. Oh, that didn't work. The first time I heard this video, or the first time this song affected me, was when I was almost killed by a moose. Which is amazing. I have that on video. Completely crazy. LP Video. Align. Content. Center. Oh, that didn't work. What he has on the other one worked. And LP Video. What if I do one? Do I have to have... No? Because I have it in the ID. Not because I have it in ID. Well, then there's just one thing to do. We have to ask ChatGPT. Watch me use the power of AI to fix my problems. Flexbox, that's something that I learned not that long ago. Display flex. That's the one I want. This is the one I want. And don't ask me why. What did you do? What's a display? Flex? Yeah. didn't align them. Fuck. Okay. Let me show you another trick. Maybe this works. If it doesn't, then screw me, right? I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna go into inspect mode. This is how you can basically copy any freaking web page you want online. So consider this a little hack. Now, if I go in here, I can go and see what it does on the different things, right? So if I go in here, I should have been able to see that, but if I do this, now I'm all the top here. No, where are you? It's inside of this. Video. And in here you have a lot of flex. LP video. This is the only code that is on that. And is margins and width. Let's try that then. I'll just take that. Then I'll go into here. I'll add that. But I'll change this to be start video. Sorry for ruining your ears with my singing. That just it feels so good when you're doing something it actually works. People who do web design will know. You will understand. You will feel me. Line. Button ID. I'm not going to do that right now, but I'm going to. I want some spacing, but I wonder, can I do that? Why is that under? No, there's the padding, but that is for the button. So if I click on this, it should probably make a button huge. Yeah. Or small. All what I want, and I'm not discriminating. But in here, I want to go in and say 0. Click that off, because that just makes everyone do the same thing. And then 100. Was it 100? Maybe actually that's too much. 80. That's too much. Even 50 then. 40, 30, 30. Because it's supposed to be actually maybe even 20. God damn it, I can't make my mind. So yeah. So that button will be elegant, smooth, slick. That's one thing. Now, what I want to do is see if this actually looks. Yeah, it looks like it's supposed to do here. No, it doesn't. Absolutely does not. So here I'm in the image for the mobile, and the position is attachment, and this fixed. No. When you don't remember what it did, contain auto cover. I don't know why I was like, should I be polite here? Should I ask you about just my brute force? What should I do? Tell me how to make the background, section background. Oh, on my Elementor website. Tell me how to make the section background on my Elementor website. Correctly cover I have to add. Tell me how to make the section background on my element correctly cover the entire background on mobile without spilling over or changing background size. I find that vague, but who knows? Maybe I'm lucky. He's already onto some arrogant, cocky shit because this doesn't exist. The background type to classic and the position to stretch. Finally, you can use CSS media queries. There we go. But why the media? Max width 768 pixels. Write me CSS code that will make my section background stay. I have no idea how to prompt today. This is horrible prompting. You can use the following CSS codes, 100% of the width without changing the size. No repeat, background repeat, no repeat on the top, that is correct. Background size contain. But when I did that on mobile, stop generating, I have to add this. Background image fill 100% of the width. Mobile, and I'll change the size of it. Will it do mobile CSS then? Media screen and max width. That's the same thing as last time. Maybe I just have to go with that. Center, center. Background position, center, center. Okay. Let's just try that. Bang, 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 bang. Never seen this. Is it nested or did I fuck up? It is two of them, okay. Okay. Didn't do shit. This is like this music makes me flow. I don't know why. I said contain. Do not like doing that. But if it's not too much, it could work. Maybe even this, because I think I have to change the Legacy Forge as well. Okay. No. Oh. Line height, no. I'm gonna add some of this to you. Maybe not. No. Listen to that. It's so freaky, so trippy, but it's good. Sounds so good. What is going on here? Why is that not centered? Why is it not directly on the Legacy Forge? Fuck. Shit. No. Just gonna let my OCD go for that. I'm not gonna do anything with that, more with that. I'm just gonna try to not do anything with it. Maybe medium. I'm gonna see how that looks on the mobile, but then now I also want to remove this. It looks horrible. I can't remove that because I have to do something else that I don't remember what to do. Settings, page layout, element canvas. Why do you have that style now? Why don't you look like you should? Solitaire. It does the same thing as it did on my computer. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try to just refresh this. Did the same thing on Divi, and that is a problem. Yeah, don't ask. There is no logical answer to what just happened. Luckily, it has happened before, so we know how to tackle it when it does. That's huge, but... Are you literally doing a fucking repeat right now? You're not supposed to do that. Where are you? It's not supposed to do that. There we go. Fuck. That's a problem. Not feeling the 100%. Top center. No. There we go. I need to remember that. We have a top center, no repeat, cover. Meaning, if we have the same here, top center, repeat, cover, we should have what we want. Top center, repeat X, size, cover. Yes. But will it then do what I want it to do when I add things? Just add some intersections. A little bit too big on that little boy, but width could be. No, I want this to be on the section, not on this. I want it to be boxed, but I want it to also be within. So it doesn't matter? Does it matter? If I was to start adding text to this and I have it set to 1200 in the middle, and I was to just add intersection, that's what it did. Text editor, then it's probably text. Yes. So if I was to do this, and then I was to add a different section, do you always just only have to do that? Or can I? Okay, Elementor, Divi got you on this one. Divi has you covered. What if I do this? Center align it. And is this in the middle of where I want it to be? Is it just following that? $1,200, it's following it. I'm still on this. We do full width. I'm gonna figure that out when we get there, but right now I need to see what happens. Do I have to add new text modules for everything? What if I was to just add an icon then? Nothing huge. Still staying consistent. Let's add another icon. Spacer. Spacer is the best, because then I can just add the space that I want. Let's go crazy. No, that fucked it up. But that is no problem, because we just add another one of these sections behind it. And when does it fuck up? That is literally top. What if I go 700? 700 to 50. 8. There, fucked up. 7. 80. 90. 95? What? Doesn't go any further up, but if I go for 800, 850, 820, 810, 82, 85, 800. 800 fucks it up. We never need to go for 800. We add sections with middle piece, so there's no worries. Then we'll just continue to do that. But can't I just copy something? Duplicate. Perfect. Literally perfect. But not so perfect on this side. God, I hate you sometimes. The top center. Repeat X cover. Contain. Auto. No. Default. No. Custom. With. The only thing I need to figure out then is how to make that stick to the top, which was what we were working on last time. I'm currently on the background, which is not where I want to be. I need to be on a section. Maybe if I add padding for 0. No. No. Then again, that is literally this could be as simple as deleting that, taking that and bringing that there. Of course it wasn't, because then this does something else completely. Listen to this song, by the way. This is welcome, Brody, by the way. Yes, it looks like we're getting somewhere. Listen to that song. It's what changed my life, bro. But now, I want this to just be closer to the top, and also this to be bigger. Shit, that didn't... Why do they have an active link on the builder? We will never know. Ow. Where did that happen? 200? 200. Why 200? Why is that blurry? Nice feature. Listen. Listen. Do you hear that build up in the background? And back down. It's the most intuitive song I've heard in my life. Okay. Let's get to business. Stop derailing me. Even hiding it. If I can't, no, I have to change. We have to look for the design on the button. Just to be, well, and also Brody, if you're watching this, you're definitely the one that is the best at basically applying the design that you see on the mock-up. But right now, this is giving me a headache. See more or less what it could look like on. Did you hear that? Boom. I just love that as well. I'm just going to turn down the music for a little bit in case it blasts. Typography on this, not that big. Ow! Oh, not that small either. That's what she said. And then now 10. But you're not supposed to be there. And you're not supposed to be Poppins. What the frick? Months. Spell it correctly, brah. Style, decoration, underline, no, capitalize, upper cap. I like, yeah. I don't know why I've just gone for these now. line height. Are you seriously making me change? No, I'm not going to change that with the line height. You're kidding me. No, where is the padding? You're on the button, right? Oh, you're not changing the text, so why are you there? Padding. No, this is also for around the button. This is not inside of the button. I want it to be... Is it centered? Like, fuck it. Fuck it. What am I doing? I'm getting stuck up on details again. But now that we have that working, the video looked a little bit skimpy, but I couldn't bring it up more without fucking the design up. Then again, I haven't seen it, like, it looks small on the freaking desktop, of course, but I'm gonna check it out on the phone. You don't look like you should. At all. I feel like that's your fault, so... You're not doing what you're supposed to do. I don't know why you were set to 1200, but let's... Hold up. Hold up. I'm gonna go for it. 350. Fuck. Messed it up. 250. Maybe even 150. No, that was what I was at. Better. Smaller text. Should have been in church. Let's see. Oh, it's looking. It's starting to. Maybe 9, 8. Can never get this right, but I'm gonna just land on 8 and then see if we can change that afterwards. But look at it though. So good. So good. You look horrible though. You're not supposed to be looking like that, and you're not supposed to be looking like that, but I'm not going to. You're repeating patterns. Okay, but fuck that. Am I down on the same now? Am I here? Nope, I'm not there. I can just remove you. All together now. Move. Bam. You. You were supposed to be a template that worked. You're not seeing a whole lot of working right now. Is that because of the content? That you don't have enough of it? Don't worry. We all struggle with these things at some point or another. But see, we can fix it. We can always fix it. What if I do this? And then I do this? Ow. Ow. Now we exceeded the 600 rule. We're just gonna call it the 600 rule, because that's when it just popped over and messed up the display or the thingy. Is that a big section of text? Not sure. But this, we just have to be a little conscious. We're not going to change it all the time, so maybe if I just duplicate it from here. Aren't you supposed to be duplicated from here now? I see the creamy, but I don't see the backy. The backy, it says. Having no idea what he's talking about. Whoa! Whoa! Is this because of the zoom? Whoa! Elementor. You keep showing me new things. Okay, Brody, you can change the global body font to Montserrat. It's still popping for... Yes, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm going to get to that. Because those things are the things that I did not really consider enough before. And those things that you will just love yourself for when you did it in the future. 250 is exactly where we need to be for that to keep its intersection. Now you gotta stop. Stop, hold up. Did I duplicate the intersection? That's why it didn't work. Yeah, I feel stupid. I know. Duplicate. That was not the one I wanted to duplicate, but okay, I have to figure out what I'm doing wrong here. What if I delete? That's the spacer I added earlier. Delete. What is this then? Delete. This is the one I want to duplicate. Right? That's the one I wanted to duplicate. And then if I go into this, delete. No, now you're doing that thing again. Is that because of the content? A lot of content for one section. No, you don't want to make me do that for every single... Oh, you're trying. You're definitely trying. Shit. I duplicated it, so it's supposed to be... It's supposed to be doing the same thing, and this is doing what I wanted it to do. You're not. Why did you just pop up there when I clicked you? And why are you... Oh, you need to stop. You're now messing with my soul piece. You don't mess with a man's soul piece. Custom CSS. Seriously, the soundtrack is freaking amazing. I just wanted to stay on 100%. Like, I guess it looks good on desktop. It doesn't do a lot here. I just have the intersections here. It doesn't do a whole lot. I do see some fragmentation though. That is an easy fix. Think. Why is it doing what it's doing? I think I know why. It will continue to use the mobile width as if it was a desktop width, because that's the only asset that it has. If the asset was longer than wider, we would just simply have a little longer section. But if we were to repeat it, it's to repeat. Has to be. I had it set to X instead of Y. That was fantastic. That was human design at play. I literally closed my eyes, focus on just breathe. Because I had that problem, it was like a Tetris thing going on in my head. I was live troubleshooting in my head. And then, you know, all of a sudden, boom, solution. What? Insane. It's insane, I tell you. Copy, then duplicate, and then just remove this now, and then that's good. Look at that. Look at it. Just look at it. And know that it is building upon itself as it's going down on itself. Just that is a minor issue. Don't you think that we have that covered? Are you trying to stop us, Elemental? You can't. Oh, seems like you can. Wasn't that easy? Yes, it was. You think you can stop us? We are legacy forgers. We can do whatever we please. Technology and legacy. What would happen if I was to center line this, though? Ow! What did I do? What did I do? Undo! Oh! For a second there, I was wondering if that was not going to work. We're not going to have that, but it kind of bugged my brain. So I'm going to remove you because I don't need you anymore. Fuck. I need you anymore. Sorry. I acted rash, I know. But I'm going to do this, and go get that. And I will put that inside of you. You're going to like it. I liked it. I was pretty happy with that. So now I'm gonna have so many copyright strikes. This is one of those streams that's gonna be deleted after it's done, simply because it's illegal. But we have it. We have it. Look at it. Look at it and be happy. But those are intersections. Can't I just add that on bottom? Totally on the bottom? Top. There we go. There we go. And then I will just remove you because I don't need you anymore. And then you're doing stuff again. But having these templates makes everything so easy down the line. Where did I do that? I don't really want to use the... Ow. That just hurt my eyes and my ego. I could use padding, I guess. Can use padding for something. If it doesn't have the width thingy as the intersections, we kind of have to. And it's on the tablet right now, so let's see. 20. And on the left as well. Then we go up to 40. Do you want to go for 100? Actually, no. Now we're onto something because I was looking at the left side when I was actually editing the right. There we kind of go. 75. 75. 80. Yeah, I agree. 80 was better. Not 850, but 80. Still kind of hugging. God damn it, I'm such a freaking... There. Don't get hung up. Or... Are you seriously changed for the tablet as well, Leon? So if I do this, then duplicate and remove, delete. Might actually have a need for a spacer just as we work through it. Now you're way too... Like, why? This happens on Divi as well. You edit, and then if you change the responsive style of everything, it's gonna take on the same things as its parent. Which to me is a very annoying thing. A very annoying thing indeed. Also that thing, I hate that. Right. Now you're doing something that I don't really like at all. So this is... Why is it doing that for this? The major thingy. Fuck. Undo. God dang it. There was a time when it was actually... There we go. And then I added padding and I fucked it up. So how does that look on mobile then? Isn't that too narrow? 5 words in a width. I don't like that. It has 90. Like, I don't want that to be 90 padding. I refuse. It has to? Nah. No fucking way. Nope. I'm just gonna see if I can update it, and then when you create intersection, it creates 2 intersections. You just delete one of them, and you'll have an intersection inside of a column. Thank you, brother. Thank you. What do you make of this though? It looks good on tablet, and now it's fucked up on fucking Scheiße. Padding inside of this, maybe? No, I don't like to use padding at all. Repeat X. This is the center section then. So, cover, top center, fixed. No, but that looked trippy. Look at that background picture. Could be fooling people in their eyes when they see that. All of a sudden, just like, what the fuck? Did that just move? You know? It's so fucking flawless. Dude, what is scroll? That is the default, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so advanced, maybe horribly, hopefully. Margin auto. Would I be fucking with the custom CSS if I did that? No, there's no custom CSS there. Why? Attribute, custom CSS, motion effects. No, I don't want that. I want... Why is it set to auto and just hard auto? Ow. It's too small. And it's too big. I feel like freaking Goldilocks right now. It's getting closer. That looks great on mobile now. Oh, thank you. I haven't checked the mobile. But that has to be a simple solution. Just wrap it in. And also, what's it, the section that we did it on? The intersection? The intersection with the section. Deleted one section. Have a section of itself. I was kind of hoping for it. Okay, with default, custom. Oh, you should also be padded. Fitty. Fuck. Fit. I need a new keyboard. But something happened here. We were on something. 80. I hope for the love of everything holy that it does not fuck up. Is this because you're an intersection now? Where are you hiding? 80 on the left, 80 on the right. Are you not center aligned? 69 on the width. 100 on the width. 100%. There we go. Now we're talking. Okay. 100% on the width. 80 on the padding. That does do something right here, right? Yeah, the right is fucked up when I do that. And then perfect when I do that. 80, 80. But how is it now on this? So then, could I do the same thing on that? Width is custom. Width is custom. 100%. Percent. 100. And then lessen the padding. Oh, you're fucking up with the background again. It's the background that I have to look at. It's the background. Section. That should be working the same thing then. My eyes tells, or my head tells me. Overflow, no. Height, vertical line width, 100%. Or 700. Come on. Fucking with me. Box, full width. Column gap, height, vertical line. Middle. Structure. I'm just gonna see I'm getting there. What does this mean? No idea. No. Section. If we can't replicate it, we should not act this way if you know what we did. But I think I just proved that web design is a lot about clicking around and just seeing if things breaks. So what happens now then? Now, this spacer. I want to delete you again. Nah! But I did make it wider. That was the entire idea of that. Section 100. That's where it fucks up. 40. I'm just gonna leave it at 50 then. Leave it at 50 and then... Beautiful. Are you fucking kidding me? I just saw something here that was kind of annoying. Also, if you're using a tablet, I don't know why we feel like that, but it is something that is important. I hate that. This, I don't like it one bit. It is automatically doing the things. Well, it does look like it has. Poor, seriously. Fuck. Don't judge me. 5 on mobile. See, now it did it again. You sneaky. That looks good. Naturaleza. Update. Now I want to check this out on mobile. Hey, Brody, did you get into that actual website? Because I have a password protected and I can't even get in. I got in. Are you shitting me? Fuck you. So heard. Now, I'm not sure if you see this, but this is what I see now. Not doing what it's supposed to do on mobile compared to what it seems to do on the page. This might be the spacers that is fucking up things here. Let's see if it actually looks like the same now. Not quite. Try this. Whoa, background position custom. Background position custom. Was it here? Background position custom. Okay. Which one is the position that I want? 100. Went all the way on the other side. Okay, what? I want you to cover it. So then contain cover. Okay. Okay, Brody. You beautiful son of a bitch. Love you. Yes! Yes! You're an amazing human being. Literally human being who is amazing. I don't know why I'm doing that, but now just to test out if that actually does the trick. It did the trick. Okay, so now what happens if I was to just continue to add text to this? Fuck! Wait, I definitely don't have the repeat on it, right? That's why. So I will just do that. And then I will go into you, repeat X. Oh, it says to repeat. Cover. No. 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 There it goes, contain. And that does exactly what it's supposed to do. That's what we wanted. That is doing it. Okay, so what if I remove this then? Add different things. And this, right? Text editor, come on. Motherfucker, but I don't care about that. That is just supposed to be like that. Image. Throw it in there. Look at it, bro. Look at it. Dude, make it smaller for fuck's sake. Custom. 500. 100. That could work. It did work, but it looks horrible. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It's just doing it. It's doing it, bro. Oh my god. Go. Go. Look at it go. I guess if it's too small, you can cover it. If it's larger, you can contain. Clutch move with the contain for the win. Yes. Dude. We have it. Fucking have it. Now, does it look the same on the... Oh. Okay, so you have to have a certain amount of content. So let's just throw in an image. If not, we have to just make it, you know, do something with it. Or add a footer, something. We know that when that page, the first page is done, it's done. And we don't have to go in there and fix anything unless when we do, we know what we do. But it doesn't, like, it does. Look at this. It looks great. It does the thing. But it requires a lot of content on the phone, which is also great because you're getting a lot of information in one place. But at the same time, bro. Also, we don't have the scrolling to the sides. It's literally the same amount that I have here. Huh. That is weird. So what if I have a space around this then? That should work. It works. Although we don't want that much empty space, but if I update now, we have a page that is running all the way just as it's supposed to do, for fuck's sake. If it's not enough content, then switch it to cover. Okay, yes. That's the key contain. For more content, cover works if there is not enough content to fill a section. Now we know the rules of the website. Look at him. Yes. Cover and contain. Those are the things that would have saved me months of work on the other project, actually. Jesus Christ. But now, dude, that's it. That's it. How did the video look? Like, does it look too small? I would vote for an overlay on that, like a pop-up. Come to think of it. Doesn't Elementor have that? Modest branding. Don't like that. That's kind of why I don't like having that. So if I have Vimeo, then Vimeo. I do like Vimeo for embedding as well. Does not show recommended videos. Exactly my reason, bro. Not surprised that you share my opinion on that, to be honest. I actually paid. See, that's my... You knew how much stuff I've paid for? Yearly? Calendly? Vimeo? Zoom? All the fucking plugins on the WordPress. Paid for so much. It's time to get paid! God damn. But we have it, like, okay. We can have a image overlay. We'll make it look a little better. There we go, the fucking lightbox. Alright, if I have that, I just go into Vimeo and just pick up a video that I have going on there. But I do have a lot of stuff in the Vimeo, so I have to take that off screen. So, client privacy and all that stuff. I do have a test. So let's go in and use the test. Actually, Brody Van, meetings of value. Ah, we have so many meetings of value, bro. Let's see. I have so much. I'm just gonna fucking take one. Click on this. And I guess there's the link. We could also embed it, which would give us a lot of stuff, but we're just gonna use that for now. Now, if that works, we just update the page. I'm gonna show you what happens as I click this page. Content, scroll to bottom, there is an image overlay for YouTube. Yes, we have that on this too. Look. That is a long load. But basically, no wonder it's 30 minutes long, which has no implications of that, but Elementor has a light box feature, which I really like. If we have a video here, and that comes up, make that a better thumbnail, then we can actually fill the entire screen, and that is basically what I wanted. We can test those, see what works best. Why is that column fucked up? One of these does not have the correct one. Contain or cover. Is it? No. No, it's you. fucking you? What? What? Don't be fucking with me like that. Look at that. It's doing the same thing. Why does it make it smaller on this? It's because of the actual size of the background? This is bigger than this centerpiece? What's going on? Yeah. That is definitely what's going on here. It's the dimensions of the background. Oh, you fucker. You fucker. I hate this. This is not what I want. By going back in history, it was just working. Yeah, but then I added it was working before I added the contain to this. This needs to just be static, right? When I added the contain to this, it changed the aspect. This was set to cover because we literally just needed the entire thing. So if I take this and just, even though I hate it. What is this? Why was that set to 1%? Custom 1%. I didn't remove it, right? Advanced margin. It's the same. 2 pixels, 2%, 2 pixels. Nope, because now it's doing something weird on mobile. Just gonna try to set that to contain, to cover again. Update. It works again. Why did it show a gap here in the builder? Don't really care. How does it look on the others? I don't want to go into this. Could I do that? It's because of that. Edit column. No, I want to edit the fucking section. There we go. Why does it stop? Why the fuck is it stopping now? I want to edit the section, okay? Yeah, please. Repeat X. It was X, right? Not Y. Was it Y? So Y, X, Z. It looks good on the phone, just double checking. So that's the tablet. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Contain. There we go. This is set to the wrong repeat. You're not telling me that I'm stuck with having this big of an image? Is that what you're trying to say here? If not, you're gonna mess up my background. Well, I refuse to believe that. At some point, I wish they just remembered that I hated it. God dang it. I want it to be 100% all the time. All the time. And then not have this big of an image. But I'm inside of the image. Have I been there all along? Have I been inside of the image all along? Raping me? This, oh God. Yeah, I'm going to stop very soon. Rape. That's a section of the entire padding. Can I do this already? Felt like I did this already. It happened when I got the HTML tag to section for some fucking reason. You see, it was a default. What is the default? Is it a div? That's also just the same thing, right? If it's set to div, probably still the same thing. I saw that you wrote something. Set of the image module. Okay, so update, try going back, pad the column instead of the image. Let's try that. Is it an intersection here too, or is that on this now? Which one am I editing? Edit column. There we go. Column width. Should be 100%. 1000%. What if I have 50? 50%. Oh, I can't go beneath that. Can't change. Percent. Is this a section? Vertical line. Vertical line. Middle. then still taking with its entirety. Doesn't do it on the outside though. Maybe padding. I don't see that being any different. Ah. When we have a repeat, fixed will do it. Listen to the soundtrack as that happened though. God damn. We did it, bro. We did it. Update that. So fixed. God, that feels good. That sound, that song, everything. As this is... It's literally what web design looks like, people. Does this work? Could I click this one? What happens if I click this one? I like to have some padding. Like, most people have... This comes with like a default. You have at least 20% padding, or 20 pixels padding. Here's nothing. There we go. So that was fixed background. Yes, this is fixed background, cover, repeat Y. I believe. Fixed background, cover, repeat Y. I'm just going to check if that is actually the case here. Fixed, repeat Y, cover. Also top center. So it just on the position. And then yes. Great, good, and fantastic. And then we go into this. Now it should all have the same thing, right? Does this have the same? Fixed, repeat Y, contain. What happens if I do cover on this? Doesn't matter. That still works. How does it look in the phone? It looks like it should. Yes. I'm writing that down. Yes. Yes. Dude, that's it, right? That's it. We now have the foundation of landing page right here. Now we just create the journey in Fluent Forms. We get the webinar outline just created. We record it. Everything is laid out now. Like, just the design, I can wait. I cannot wait. With this background, think about it. The designs we looked at from Midjourney, the things that we're going to create for the characters, the classes, the... So good. It's so good. It's so freakishly good. This feels me. I'm just gonna leave it there because it looks better on mobile when you just see it like that. But now the thing I was wondering is, how do I save an entire page like a template? Breakpoints. What? 767. don't see the breakpoint though. Then I'm not going to do anything about that. Huh. Oh, I set this to canvas. Doesn't matter. Did it just break? Okay. Oh. I have not heard this kind of music in a long freaking time. There is something about that flow though. Okay, I'm not gonna do a lot here at all. I'm just gonna do it. Canvas removes header and footer. I see. I see. So with the theme, you just change the header and footer in the theme. Makes sense. Default or full width puts it back on, but I just set it to canvas for landing page. Nice. Okay. Alright. I'm not going to do anything about this. Maybe 𝐓𝐡𝐞 and stuff. We need to look at this afterwards. But I'm done. I'm done. Now I feel like I'm going to just take a break. Maybe game a little bit, because it's now currently 2 a.m. God damn it. Don't judge me. You know how it is. That was also tests, or 001 test. You have access to the entire admin, so you can just go and look at the password, and also just... I don't know how to translate this, or just to move it over to... What just happened? What just happened? I went back, and then I went back in, and then what happened? Okay, it didn't disappear from the mobile. I'm not gonna care. I'm not gonna care. Trying to scare the crap out of me? Elementor? I'm not gonna allow you. Why though? Why is it not there? Why, like, there's stuff missing here. There's stuff missing there. God damn it. Why are you missing? Elementor test, start. Elementor test, start. Elementor. I'm just gonna go in here and try and 00 test. And then... Now I'm regretting having a password because I can't remember it. Okay, it's still there. It looks good. How can I go out? How can I leave this? Save as template. Fuck. Can't do that now because this doesn't look like it should. But I can exit. Then I can go back in the page, I guess. Maybe. In the test. This one. Edit with Elementor. Did I fuck it up? No, I didn't. Then I'm just gonna do this and save as template. LP draft 1. Okay. Oh, I see. Default or full width puts it back on, but just set it to canvas. Yeah, I just read that. See, now I'm getting all woozy. That was good. That was good. I felt good. Tomorrow. Ooh, tomorrow. Now I'm gonna log off, and I'm sorry if this is gonna break the whole mood of how that, you know, the theme songs has been, the music on the stream so far. This is gonna break that vibe, but it's not something that I've changed yet. I love you all. Thank you so much for everything, Brody, you amazing soul. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.